This isn't just welding, this is precision redefined. Introducing the Circular Welder by Nikit Engineers. Built for the toughest industries, it combines speed, accuracy, and consistency in one powerful system. With a 1-meter ball screw X-axis, 250 mm Y and Z travel, rotary axis, torch rotation, pneumatic tailstock, and TIG wire feeder, every motion is engineered for perfection. Watch as it executes smooth circular welds, maintaining exact tolerances with every pass. From aerospace and oil or gas to defense, shipping, and semiconductors, this system performs where failure is never an option. Engineers trust it for leak-proof joints, critical assemblies, and components that demand zero compromise. The result? Flawless circular welds, clean finishes, and repeatable quality that raises the bar for global manufacturing. Innovation in every bead, precision in every rotation, reliability in every outcome. Backed by decades of engineering expertise, Nikit Engineers delivers solutions that drive industries forward. Get in touch with Nikit Engineers today. Follow, like, share, and subscribe for more welding innovations.